Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. Whether you accidentally clicked delete or just can't find a message you swore you saved, I'll show you how to get it back. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. So, the very first thing we need to do is check the trash folder. A lot of people panic when they delete something, but Gmail actually holds on to your deleted items for a full 30 days before they are gone forever. To get started, go ahead and open up Gmail in your browser, just like you normally would. Now, take a look at that menu sidebar on the left-hand side. You might need to scroll down a little bit until you find what we are looking for. If you don't see a folder named Trash or Bin right away, you'll want to click on the little button that says More to expand the full list. Once you spot Trash, go ahead and give that a click to open it up. Now you can look through the list for your missing email. When you find it, just click the little checkbox next to the email subject to select it. With the email selected, look up at the toolbar at the top of the screen and find the icon that looks like a folder with an arrow inside it. That's the Move To button. Click on that, and then simply select Inbox from the drop-down list. That's going to instantly pop that email right back into your main inbox where it belongs, safe and sound. Now, if you have a lot of deleted emails and you don't want to scroll through the whole trash folder manually, there is actually a clever trick you can use to find it faster. Go ahead and click into the main search bar at the very top of the Gmail page. You're going to type in a specific command here. I want you to type trash, space, and then a keyword from the email. Hit enter, and Gmail will search specifically inside the trash folder for you. And that's it. You should now be able to find and recover your lost messages easily. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.